Good morning from Taipei, Taiwan. We're just grabbing a coffee, or I should say I'm grabbing the coffee, because Sandy forgot her phone at the hotel, so she's running back right now. I have no idea what we're doing today. We're gonna go do something. I don't know what. Stay tuned. So our plan for the day is we are heading to the Creative Park.
Yes.
Here in Taipei. We just got off the train and we're gonna walk over, but now Sandy wants to maybe get some food.
I got a dog bone.
Oh, is it a real dog bone?
No, of course not.
Oh. What is it?
Like one. It's a little cake, and inside I think there's custard. I'm not sure. Let's try it out. Oh, it's just cake.
Mmm.
But look at it. It's freshly baked. It's good.
Mmm. Like a pancake, basically.
Yeah.
Let's make our way over to the Creative Park now. So what creative parks are basically here in Taiwan are they're like old abandoned, or not abandoned, old buildings or old areas. So this used to be a winery actually, and now it's become like this art installation, this area where they have like a bunch of small little shops that sell knickknacks, there's some restaurants, some cafes. It's basically just a public area where you can hang out and have fun and enjoy some daytime activities. I think I found my favorite little shop here. It's called the Wonderful Land. Like wonderful but with wood, because it's a toy shop where everything's made out of wood. Would you look at that? We've left the Creative Park and now we are here at a place called Jinan Fresh Dumplings. And we're gonna have some dumplings. We're gonna have some soup dumplings and some other dumplings and some other food. I'm really excited. We got our xiaolong bao. These are big looking. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Xiaolong bao. Try the xiaolong bao. Ooh, look at all that soup. They're pretty good actually. It's like it's bigger than Din Tai Fung.
Portions,
Cheaper
right?
than Din Tai Fung. The soup, it's not quite as good. I think the Din Tai Fung's dumplings are so thin and they're just so nice. But this is really good too. Really close second place.
We got some beef roe and pan-fried dumplings. So I'm gonna try the beef roe first. Very crispy on the outside. You can taste the beef and the sweet sauce. It's really good.
We have arrived in Tamsui, which is an older area of Taipei, and we're just gonna walk around and explore. But first, we need to get some coffee, so we're heading to the greatest coffee shop in Taiwan, 7-Eleven. Not actually the greatest coffee shop, but it's not bad. 7 out of 10. How's the 7-Eleven coffee, Sandy?
Very good.
What would you rate it?
6.5 out of 10.
I mean, that's basically like saying it's a 7 out of 11.
Yeah, pretty much.
So we got our blowtorch beef right here with some chili powder on it. Really great. Guys, we found the greatest invention ever. You can put it around your neck and then you can just walk around watching TV.
Don't need to hold anything.
That's so great.
We got the shrimp roe. Apparently it's one of the famous items here. So I'm gonna try it now. Okay. It's very crispy outside. I don't know, I haven't tasted shrimp.
That's right there. Is that shrimp? It looks like pork
It
almost.
looks like pork, yeah.
Is it shrimp or pork?
It says shrimp roe on the sign. I'm not sure. But the crispiness and the filling tastes pretty good so far. So Peter, what do you have there?
So this is basically, I don't know what the name of this place is, but it's this place. And here's what it looks like.
It looks like croissant.
So it looks like a croissant, but according to Sandy, it is not a croissant.
No.
So I'm gonna take a bite out of this. Much more dense, that's for sure. It tastes like a thick croissant, basically. It's really tasty. It's really buttery. Alright guys, we're at this craft beer bar here in Tamsui. We got some local Tamsui herbs beer, as it's called. One of them is like a porter, and the other one is more of like a lager. So we're gonna try them both out and see what we think. Alright, we got our beers. Trying out the lager and the porter. The lager's delicious. Smells nice. How's the porter?
It smells really good, tastes really good. It's not as heavy as the porters back home, so
that's true. It has like a bunch of herbs in them. It smells like rosemary. It's pretty great. Sandy, she went to refill her beer, and then she was having the porter, and then she poured the lager into it, and now her beer looks like poop water. Drink your poop water. We've left Tamsui. It was really nice walking around the old streets. We got to try some great craft beer. That was really fun. But it was a little chilly, so we're glad to be back into the main area of Taipei. And now we are here at the National Palace Museum. It looks really cool. Sandy tells me that it's really nice. Tell me about the Palace Museum, Sandy.
So they have a lot of stuff that the government back in the days brought back from China during the Civil War. So there's a lot of treasures that's never been shown to anywhere else before, and apparently there's so many of them that every month they rotate the stuff that is being exhibited. So I'm very looking forward to seeing the old treasures. Yeah, and also the building is really nice.
Yeah, the building is beautiful. All right, let's head into the museum. We finished up with the museum, and now it's time to eat, and we're getting some hot pot. Sandy's just ordering it right here. We've got our pot over here. We're very excited. How's the hot pot?
Very good.
Very good? Got a lot of stuff. We got some more meats that we gotta pop into here soon. Also, this place has a bunch of other stuff, like you can get unlimited ice cream, you get unlimited drinks. The drinks include water. Very boring. Coffee, less boring. And alcohol, very not boring. You got some beer, you got wine. I don't know what else they have. Other stuff too, probably. It's great. It's like 30 bucks. We're heading back to our hotel after that hot pot. It was delicious. The meal, the desserts, the drinks, everything is pretty good. I think we paid like 30 bucks Canadian each.
Yeah.
Like, so $60. Our whole bill was 60 bucks, including taxes, tips, all that stuff. So really, really good deal. I would definitely recommend checking out Mala Hot Pot if you guys are ever in Taiwan. And now I think we're just gonna head back to the hotel and call it a night because we are super, super tired. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the morning. See you guys tomorrow.